Today is a generation where everybody talks in selfies. Be it on Instagram or on Facebook, everybody loves to take a picture, and anybody who takes a picture will tell you that the best angle to shoot yourself is from little above your face. Do you know what they are trying to do? They are trying to hide their double chin. Because the appearance of a double chin makes you look older, makes you look plumper than you actually are. But today we are here to talk about a treatment which could actually target your double chin and make your problems go away, and you can take your Instagram selfies from whichever angle that you want. Hi, I'm Dr. Rasya Dikshit. I'm a dermatologist and cosmetologist practicing in Bangalore, and we are talking about double chin treatments. So now let us discuss what is this double chin problem all about. Most people assume that when they have a double chin, that it's actually due to the deposition of the fat. This is not true. Though the fat deposition is a major contributor in the formation of double chin, also the appearance of a very short chin. Some of us, especially Indians, have very short lower jaw and chin. This also can make the skin appear as if there is a jowl or a double chin appearance. The other thing is what happens immediately post massive weight loss. The loose skin in this area also appears like a double chin. So the three components which have been indicated in the formation of a double chin are the fat deposit, the presence of a lower jaw which is smaller, that means it's a shorter chin, and loose skin or skin sagging. All these three could play a big role in formation of a double chin. So when the person has a double chin, the first thing the dermatologist does is assess which component of the problem is contributing to the formation of the double chin. Is it the fat, is it loose skin, or is it the fact that the person has a small chin? And it could even be a combination of both factors, and the treatment is done accordingly. For the treatment of fat deposit in the double chin area, we target something called injection lipolysis, which has a compound called phosphatidylcholine and deoxycholine. These are FDA approved molecules which are injected into the skin, through the skin into the fat, and it actually causes vacuolization of the fat. The fat becomes dissolved and it reduces within 2 to 3 sessions. The treatments are done once in 4 to 6 weeks, and they're very comfortable. What you do is first we anesthetize the area with the numbing cream. Then the product is injected in very small quantities to the targeted area, which is the double chin. And then post-treatment, there is some amount of swelling, some amount of pain for the next 48 to 72 hours, after which the improvement starts to be noticeable. Maximum improvement is noticed 2 to 3 weeks after the 3rd or 4th session, depending on the amount of fat. Treatments are usually repeated at yearly intervals to maintain the result. If there is a laxity of the skin, or the skin is sagging and it's contributing to the double chin, we recommend our non-surgical radiofrequency facelift treatments or thread lifts to lift and tighten the skin to give a more sculpted appearance. And for an appearance of a smaller chin, we recommend the use of a filler in the chin to make the chin look elongated and hide the double chin area. All these treatments may have to be done in some combination in order to achieve best results for patients. But one of the treatments which is very, very comfortable to do and probably most indicated is that there is always a deposition of fat, excess fat which is there. So some amount of injection lipolysis will give you a partial improvement in the double chin. Then the other treatments can be added on, and then you get your best result. So go ahead and we can put your best face forward with these customized treatments for the double chin area. So using these combinations of customized treatments, we can put our best face forward so that we treat our double chin in a very effective way.